Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the hide-a-key or fake rock that I guess could be used for various different things. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So first let me show you, here's a pin. And here's the box. So this thing is small. I knew when I ordered it, looking at the measurements, that it was going to be pretty small. I'm actually wanting this to hide some jewelry in it to give a gift and make the person think that they basically got a rock. And then when they open it, it's going to have some jewelry in it. So let's take a look at it. It actually feels like a rock. It's got like a porous, kind of rough exterior. It's got some weight to it as well. I wish the whole thing looked like a rock, but you basically have this plastic bottom that's going to open up. But I'll say this, you go sit it in a flower bed or rock bed or something like that, it does look pretty good. You'll notice when I opened up there's some piece of it that fell off, but it's not too bad. This is a regular house key, goes in there just fine. This is an office key that's a little bit bigger, and you can see it doesn't quite make the cut. So depending on the size key you have, this might not be big enough for you. You might want to measure that first. Small key, no problem at all. Larger key, you're going to have an issue. Again, for somebody like me that's doing something like jewelry, that's probably just fine. Not a whole lot to show you. I'm going to turn it over, give you a quick look at every side of it. Let's see what's in this. Kind of funny. They basically give you a little plastic bag so you can put your key in it. I don't know if that was really necessary, but that's what it comes with. And then when you want to close it up, you're simply going to push the sides in, push the bottom back on, turn it over. Not a whole lot to show you, but if you're thinking about ordering this item, that's what it looks like when it comes in. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.